Good day everyone, I'm John Elvin Yanto. In this video, I will discuss the importance of meteorology as a navigator, including the care of cargo. First, what is meteorology? Meteorology is a branch of atmospheric science with a major focus on weather forecasting. And what is the importance of meteorology in navigation? Meteorology play a crucial role for navigators to ensure the safety and efficient maritime operation, such as cargo operation. Pre-voyage planning involves obtaining weather forecasts to determine the best route for safe, efficient, and favorable navigation. Meteorologists provide critical data on wind, waves, and precipitation. During navigation, meteorological data helps avoid storms and manage wind and sea state. Accurate forecasting enables navigator to adjust course and speed. Proper cargo securing and stowage are vital to withstand weather conditions. Meteorologist informs temperature and humidity control for sensitive cargo. Meteorology helps identify potential hazards, enabling navigators to prepare for emergencies. Meteorology is indispensable for navigators, ensuring safe, efficient, and environmentally responsible operations.